Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the assistant in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so in the Comet AI web browser application, you will see the Comet Assistant in the top right corner. So you may use it, for example, give it commands, prompts while browsing the internet, for example. Open it up here or in the panel to the right and use it like assistant in navigating through the internet, for instance, guys. So if you'd like to enable it because you accidentally turn it off, or vice versa, if you'd like to turn it off, guys, you may do that through your browser settings here in Comet AI. To do that, let me just close the assistant, navigate to that drop-down menu in the top right corner and select settings. And inside your browser settings, navigate to privacy and security to the left. And here at the very top, you will see how Comet protects you, and below the option Comet Assistant. So simply click into it, and here either enable or disable it, guys. So that's basically it. After that, it may be necessary to restart the Comet AI web browser. And yeah, that's basically it. I will leave it enabled. That's at least, guys, how you're using the Comet AI Assistant. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.